Peace and blessings, everyone. So today we're doing a little bit of spring cleaning, Eid cleaning, Sunday cleaning. The weather is kind of nice and Philly cleaning. Anyway, I said all that to say that I found a rug. Now, this is an outdoor patio rug that I saw at Target with the Opal House. Now, the Opal House is one of my favorite brands at Target because it just fits my whole bohemian aesthetics. You know the vibe I'm on. Anyway, I decided to make Amir take it apart because I didn't feel like getting dressed and on camera, and I was comfortable in what I was in. So we kind of got stuck right here because it required for us to pick up the sofa, and the sofa is a modular set, so it comes in different parts. And I remember why I didn't have a rug, because sometimes it's hard to snap the sofas together with the rug. But this is the final outcome. Tell me what you think below. I actually love it.